All right, so no one taught you how money actually works, huh? Shocker. Neither did they teach me. But here's the thing. You need to know this stuff. Instead, we're stuck watching TikToks with some dude saying, "Buy this crypto now, or you'll regret it forever." Bro, I just want to know why I'm broke every month. Turns out, there are apps for this. Budgeting, saving, investing. Yeah, sounds boring. Until you're actually out of cash by the 15th. Financial literacy is basically knowing how not to screw yourself financially. Budget, save a bit, don't fall into dumb debt, that kind of stuff. It's like this: know how to earn it, how to save it, and how not to waste it all on things you won't even remember buying. Emergency fund? Yeah, it's that money you wish you had when your laptop dies or your dog eats something stupid. Too young to care? Or you don't earn enough to invest? That's how they keep you stuck, man. You start where you're at. More than half of us have zero clue what's going on with our money. And the system? It kinda likes it that way. Everyday stuff matters. The Netflix subscription, the Uber Eats twice a week, it adds up fast. It's a choice. Live in chaos and stress every month. Or take some control. No one's saying it's easy, but it's definitely possible. So yeah, this is FinZ Mentor. It's not school, it's better. Subscribe or keep being broke. Your call.